So I think
Exactly.
the foundation having a great website is so important. Like you have to have a website with interaction. You have to have call to actions.
What's your marketing advice for those that are like, a lot of our listeners are like 3 to 5 practices and they're trying to scale up? What's your marketing advice for those kind of practices?
Well, obviously, it's the same. You make sure you have reviews. Make sure the practices that you're acquiring have a foundation of reviews that are not zero or not bad. Buying a practice with a bad reputation doesn't look that good. It's very hard to recover from a bad reputation. And you want to, when they buy these practices, you have goodwill and you want to use that goodwill. If they're starting from scratch, again, foundationally they have to do, but it really depends what the goal of their marketing is. Look, the primary goal of marketing for most people, in my opinion, is to make more money. That's what the primary goal is. If you want to attract specific type of patients, those high value patients, Invisalign implants, those cosmetics, those types of things, I truly believe you have to go to paid advertising to get those patients to know that you do these procedures. So there's a Google AdWord campaign. There should be a Facebook funnel campaign directing people to your potential practice or to your practice for these potential procedures. I'm not a big fan of just generic social media. Like I don't
Yeah.
think social media without paying for it is going to drive patients to a practice. They're going to inform the patient about what you do, but I don't think there's a huge ROI with just social media. And when you pay for ads on Facebook, to me, that's not social media; it's paid advertising. So I think the foundation having a great website is so important. Like you have to have a website with interaction. You have to have call to actions. You have to have specifically what a person's looking for in there. Don't make it like a brochure because they're not going to stay on there. Having the reviews, having the great website, and then doing the paid advertising is probably the best way to help scale these practices.